Understanding and using a student ID. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical topic that's especially important for students: understanding and using a student ID. Whether you're just starting your educational journey or you're familiar with campus life, knowing how to use your student ID can make your daily activities much smoother. So, let's get started. A student ID is more than just a piece of plastic. It's your key to a multitude of resources and services on campus. Typically, it contains your photo, name, and a unique identification number. But it's not just for identification. It serves various purposes that we'll explore in the upcoming sections. One of the primary uses of a student ID is accessing campus facilities. With your ID, you can enter libraries and borrow books, access labs or special classrooms after hours, use recreational facilities like the gym or swimming pool, attend student events or activities that are exclusive to your institution. Always remember to carry your student ID with you to make the most out of your campus's resources. Your student ID isn't just for physical access, it's also crucial for various academic and administrative tasks. Registering for classes or exams, checking your grades or academic records, accessing online learning platforms or university databases, printing or photocopying documents on campus printers. Make sure your ID is always up to date to avoid any disruptions in these services. Believe it or not, your student ID can also act like a wallet. Many institutions enable IDs to pay for meals at the cafeteria, use vending machines or campus stores, load money for laundry or other on-campus services. Be aware of how to load and manage funds on your ID to make your daily life hassle-free. One of the most exciting aspects of having a student ID is the range of discounts and benefits it offers. Reduced prices on software or subscriptions, like Microsoft Office or Adobe Creative Suite. Discounts at local restaurants or shops. Cheaper tickets for movies, museums, or public transportation. Always ask if a student discount is available and carry your ID to take advantage of these benefits. Your student ID is a powerful tool that goes beyond just proving you're a student. It opens doors, literally and figuratively, and offers a range of benefits that can save you time and money. We hope this video has illuminated the many uses of a student ID and how you can make the most of it. Keep your ID safe, keep it with you, and you'll be set to navigate your campus like a pro. Until next time, happy learning and make the most of your student journey.